Step right into our channel. Join us as we uncover the mastery behind the multiplication table by 5, making it an adventure filled with excitement and engagement like never before. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50. 11 times 5 equals 55. 12 times 5 equals 60. And now, let's do a random test of your knowledge. 4 times 5 equals 20. 9 times 5 equals 45. 11 times 5 equals 55. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.